Hello everyone. So today we are going to dive in depth in the aspect of data visualization using Microsoft Excel. And now in this video, we are going to compare between area plot and line plot. So in the previous video, in this playlist for charts in Microsoft Excel, we've looked at column charts, we've looked at bar charts, we've looked at line charts. So today we are going to look at area charts, but now we are going to see the comparison between the area chart and the line chart. So let's get started. So let's say we have a kind of data here which contains the animal population. As we can see, these are the animal and these are the population and the trend from different time, that is in terms of years. So we visualized this data using the line chart. So I want us to look at this data into two scenarios. The first one is to look it in terms of a line chart and then also look at it via an area plot. So we are using these plots because we said that they are very useful in while handling the continuous data that is not in categories. So this is the efficient way of doing it over time. So our time element here is in terms of years. So let's get started by inserting the first plot. So the first All right, so let me start with a line chart. So I go to insert, go to lines, then you go here, the line charts. So you'll be able to get to generate your simple line chart. And now you can curate this chart is comparing, let's say, animal population from the year 2017 to the year 2022. Then I delete the other part. So you can be able to format your chart in different views depending on what you want, how you want to visualize your chart. You can edit this chart by giving it an outline. Give the title an outline. So you come here, you change the outline from there to black. So it will be able to change. And now you see there is a kind of a border within the title. You can be able to change the font for the title, highlight everything, and then right click, and then now you can just go to insert, and now you change here the font from here, from this drop line, change the font to black. And now there you go. So let's say we want to visualize, you also change the years, also you can just change them from here. You change everything, even these are, we call them legends. You can reposition the legends where you want. So there is a video on how to plot a line chart in Microsoft Excel. You can be able to explore more and be able to play around, have the data points along on your data. You can have the data points along your data. You can give the axis to the data. Like this now, I can now give axis. I call this years. I call this years. And now I call this population. So this data is visualizing population of animals in terms of time. That's the year between the year 2022 and the year 2017 and the year 2022. So you can be able to change the colors here. You can see under design, you can be able to change how it looks. So you can have it in this manner, and then there you go. Or you can even remove the values if you don't want. If they are mixing, you can just remove the values, data labels. We call them data labels, like that. So you can put them or remove them depending on how you want. So there is a video on that. So let me go to plot an area chart. So this is our first chart. So let's see a simple area chart. So you highlight your data, go to insert, and then you go to area chart. So you click it. There you go. So let me have my area chart. I have just selected one of the designed options that have been given by Microsoft Excel. I can be able to see more also there, and I can still be able to minimize like that. So here you see, so we can change this also, the title for this. We can change the title for this to, it's just the same data, but now the type of visualization chart is what differs. Population 2017 2022. And there you go. Now you have your simplest charts there. We have a line chart here and we have an area chart. So that's how we produce a line chart and area chart. So what is the difference? When you look over time, let's look at this data in this way, giving some insights to our data. When you look at the line chart, it indicates a depreciating trend for the dolphin. That is that's the essence of having a legend here. So you know that this color is for the dolphin. So you see here there is a depreciation. The area chart shows the area covered by the trend, while the line chart just shows the trend of line. You see, it is not that this space matters. What matters is where the line it is, the position of the line, and not the space. For the area chart, the space matters, the area covered matters. Like for this one, there is a very big tendency. There's a very large number, like very large population for the whales, and it is constant. It is constant. Its population is constant. There is an increase. You see, this one was decreasing until it went down all the population of whales. All the population of whales now are greater than all the population of dolphin. So you see, that's the difference. And now we realize that bears increase in terms of their population. That's why you see an upward area curve. There is that area curve, the area covered is large, is increasing from here upwards. So line chart shows also the same, but now it is not that this area is what matters. What matters is the position of the line, while this one, the area covered matters. So that is it. That's what we've been able to learn today under this video in Microsoft Excel, under this playlist for charts. Stay tuned for more charts in Microsoft Excel. From there, we'll go deeper into building dashboards with these visuals. Another playlist will be coming after this one. Thank you.